to make sure to pay attention to that today as another hot day is ahead, but we broke the record yesterday. Is that expected today, Rich?
No, actually, the record yesterday was 90 out at the airport, and today the record is 96. So fortunately, we're going the other direction from going towards today's record, and that's good news. We're going to cool about 3 to 5 degrees today, it looks like. Take a look outside. You can see we're in pretty good shape. Looking out there from Port Angeles Tower Cam, a pretty morning looking out there towards Mount Rainier. It looks like a hot morning out there. It's fairly mild. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s right now around Puget Sound. A little cooler if you're right by the water. Take a look at the shot there from Seattle Tower Cam, looking out there towards Mount Rainier and the skyline of Seattle. We hit officially 90 out at the airport yesterday, and that broke the old record of 87 set back in 2015 and in 1948. So kind of shattered that one yesterday. And getting a closer look there from Tacoma, a pretty looking shot there, looking out there towards the mountain. And Tacoma Dome showing no wind at all there on the flag. Overall, our first alert 7-day forecast, the first alert weather day today, but we're going to start to see a little bit of cooling tomorrow and more as we head towards mid to late week. So we'll gradually get back to much more normal temperatures, which should be in the upper 60s and low 70s at this time of the year. See on the satellite image, the light blue, which is low clouds, marine deck clouds there along the coast, really haven't even made it up to northern Oregon. It's just kind of showing up around Astoria and a little bit around the Columbia River this morning. That's going to gradually increase over the next day or two until we get our ocean air conditioning flipped back on, which is going to be really as we head towards later tomorrow on into midweek. And then it's going to be sticking around, it looks like, for quite a while. So forecast for today overall, that does call for those high temperatures today. Mid 70s up there Everett northward, but Seattle southward we're going to be in the mid to upper 80s, and somebody may touch 90 degrees, but it'll still be cooler than what they saw yesterday. And then as we head towards the middle part of tomorrow, you can see we continue that cooling back into the mid 70s to the low 80s. As later in the week we get back into the upper 60s and low 70s with partly to mostly sunny skies, and well, at least for Northwesterners, much more livable temperatures.